In this video, I will take you on a deep dive into the URLIFE T2, an electric bike that is making waves for its unique combination of retro style and modern performance. At first glance, the T2 looks like a classic motorcycle from a bygone era, but beneath that vintage aesthetic lies a powerhouse designed for the urban commuter and weekend adventurer alike. The frame is built with heavy-duty materials that feel incredibly sturdy, yet the geometry remains comfortable for long rides. One of the standout features is the impressive motor that provides quick acceleration, making it easy to keep up with city traffic or climb steep hills without breaking a sweat. The battery life is equally impressive, offering plenty of range for most daily tasks before needing a recharge. I was particularly impressed by the large display, which is easy to read even in direct sunlight, providing all the essential data like speed and battery level at a glance. Safety has not been overlooked either, as the hydraulic disc brakes offer great stopping power in various weather conditions. Whether you are looking for a reliable way to get to work or just want a stylish ride for exploring your neighborhood, the URLIFE T2 offers a premium experience that justifies its place in the market.